Hey guys, so today I'm going to record a video of me curling my daughter's hair. One of my friends asked me to do a video where I curl short hair, and I don't have short hair, so I asked her to be my model and she said yes. Cool, so I'll show you guys what I do. This is for kind of messy hair style, so it's great for like a second day look or something like that. We'll put in some dry shampoo and then we'll get started and I'll show you guys what I do. So I'm using AG hair. Come on.
Need a double hand?
Yeah, let's double hand.
No faces here.
It's not working. Alright, so we can't get focused. Whatever. It's AG Hair Dry Shampoo. This one's in the Brunette color. So I'm just going to spray that in her roots a little bit. Get rid of any greasiness. I'll just spray this on her roots. In her eyes, apparently, a little. Work it in like this. I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna kind of give her a little bit of a messy part, not a straight part. So I kind of zigzagged there. Actually, I'm gonna go over just a little this way. See, it's zigzag. So this is more for an easy curl look, and it's not supposed to be all the way perfect. So I'm also zigzagging between these sections, so it's like, here, I'll show you guys here. No. Ah! My camera fell. What the hell? This is dangerous. I just take messy sections and I start at the base. And I curl and I pull. And I do reverse from each other. So I'll do one way, then I'll do the opposite way. Then I take a random part and give it a little bump here, so that she has some volume. And this is all gonna be underneath, so even though it looks crazy curly, later we are gonna use some product to like tame it too. Now I'm just sectioning from pretty much back of the ear to back of the ear out. Okay, now I'll do this section. And I'm using my Pink Pewter comb. I love this thing. And then you twirl and pull. Do the opposite way. So okay, now again I will take some of these sections up here and give it a little more curl. And actually I can let that go there. The very top. So the ones underneath can be quite messy, but on the top one you want to make sure it's a little neater, because that's the stuff that'll show. And the bottom stuff gives a little texture underneath, so it's a good thing if it's a little messy. It's not a bad thing. Okay, so that back's done. Now we can move to the side. I'm gonna do this one towards her face and this one away from her face. Everything closest to the front of her face, I'm going to curl backwards so it's not falling in her face all day, because nobody wants that. Right, Abby?
Right.
She sits so good. She literally lets me do her glam anytime, and she's like the best kid ever. That sits so good.
Thank you.
Anytime I do her hair, she's just like a pro champion. And actually Abby has a lot of hair, so there's a lot going on in there. It's nice to work with. I love working on her hair. It's a lot of hair, but it's semi-fine hair strands, which has a ton of density. You were born that way.
I was born.
So that's pretty much it for the curling part. Now you can pull all this apart. I'm gonna use HAIR Tousled Texture. I love this stuff. Yes, help Abby cover that face, girl. Let's cover mine too. I don't know if this is gonna work. There we go, we did it. Good job. This stuff is amazing. I just kind of spray it in between. It's very, very potent, like in the room. You can kind of see it around. There's a little cloud, but it's awesome. And it gives like good texture to the hair. I mean, this is dream hair over here, guys. Like, she's got the best hair. If there's any parts that feel too curled at the bottom, you can always run your flat iron real quickly through the ends. I kind of like that the shape this does on her. It's definitely like a little wider at the bottom, and I like that personally.
I do too.
Yeah, this is her favorite hairstyle, guys. I forgot I bought a new mic. I could have been using it to record this whole time. You can run a wide tooth comb through it, or like I'm doing, just using the back of this comb to kind of pull apart any pieces that are too stuck together. Sorry about the bright lights, Abby.
Oh, then I don't mind.
Yeah, so we're kind of off center. Whatever. Thanks for watching, guys.
Make sure you like and follow for more videos.
Thanks, Abby. I didn't even tell her to say that, guys. She just knows what's up.